Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I've got another BOXYCHARM boxing for you. Let's get right into it. Okay, so this is what I look like before I add the powder on, and I'm going to try out the primer. This is the No Pore Blim, as in problem, primer, and it's a smooth and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. So it's by the brand Touch and Soul. I love all these Korean products that we're getting. Here we go. So just a nice soft milky texture. Just kind of do a little dab over. It has like a really nice kind of silicone-y texture to it. Like if you use the Benefits Pore Professional, it's kind of like that. In which case, I think you're supposed to dab it onto your skin to kind of get into those pores. But we'll see. All right, then I'm gonna just use that Pretty Vulgar that I got in one of my BOXYCHARM boxes, and it has that nice little thing there, which I could use, and so you could just dab that on there. Maybe you do a little bit of that, get some more on there, and then just kind of dab. All right, not do anything. Oh yes, I am much less shiny now. Or, you know, I could also just repurpose one of these brushes. This is the Luxie 522 Tapered Highlighter. This is kind of a giant brush for a highlighter, but maybe. So, just dab a little bit of that, make sure. This I can control a little bit more, whereas the puff, it was massive, so I couldn't get into the little places that I'd need to get into. But, you know, I just feel so old Hollywood if I were to use this instead. Okay. Oh, I think I like the way that primer works. Next, we have this lip product. So it's nice because you have the lip product on one side, and ooh, there's a little magnetic thing happening there, and then you just pop out the lip primer. It says primer inside, and I guess you would use that. I always like to moisturize my lips and let it dry a little bit, or I just use this stuff from Paula's Choice. It's their original sort of lip thing. Sometimes I let that dry for a little bit, but if I'm trying to like put it on real quick, I'll just dab it off. Now, does that mean it's superfluous to add this primer? I don't know. We'll see. Okay, what color is this even? I don't know. Whoop! Almost got some on my chin. So it's kind of like a berry stain. I'm not mad at it. Okay, that's nice. I like it for just a pop of color. It doesn't really go with my eye makeup because these are more like peachy tones, but definitely keeping this one. Okay, so I'm excited about that. And so that's one. And that is the Trestique Prime and Glaze Lip Crayon, and it retails for $25. I got the Afterglow that is number 3, as indicated on the card. Next, I'm really excited because I got this Pretty Vulgar a highlighter, and it's in very similar packaging to the blush. I really like this blush too. I got this in an earlier BOXYCHARM, so it's kind of like got a lot of kick up, but I think it looks really nice on my cheeks. Ooh, very pigmented, so I have to be super careful. And you know, obviously I'd use a brush, but I forgot to bring that with me today. So, but you know, look, it kind of applies nicely with just your finger. So if you're in a pinch, you'll be fine. The highlighter that came in the box just looks like this. And right now I'm wearing this Cover FX glitter drops in the shade Nova, and you have to shake it well before you apply it. So this is really pretty. It doesn't really have a scent, but I'm excited about this. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this same thing that I use for my powder to apply it. So it's over that Cover FX thing, so you can't really see it. But what about right here? We'll do it right here on my nose bridge. Oh, that's a nice, you know, soft thing. Okay, so I was really glad that I got this, because in my first BOXYCHARM box, I got this awesome Becca Prosecco Pop, but then I dropped it, so now it looks like this hot mess, and I'm still going to use it. And at some point I'm going to do that hack. I'm going to put some alcohol in there and let it reform and dry. But in the meantime, I'm super excited to have this. And so that is the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan highlighter, and it retails for $32. I'm very excited to get all of this makeup that is over $20 each, when the one box is about $20. So 5 products, one box, $20, and it's over $100 like in value in each one. Next, I'm super excited because we got a full size Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. And I'm so happy about this, because my favorite mascara ever is this Benefit They're Real mascara, and I only like the travel size because the brush is just sort of a perfect size. And if I buy the full size one of these, it seems like the brush is different. Maybe I'm making that up. So I might even save this brush because I just really like what it does. I've tried this before, and the brush is also amazing. Oh, it's like metal. It's like really substantial packaging. All right, so then this also has like a really nice, interesting brush where it's got sort of like an hourglass figure. Okay, so that Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is retailing at $24. And then the last product that I've got is this Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. And I'm so excited about this because, first of all, I forgot to talk about in my favorites of 2018 for BOXYCHARM, the Pharmacy Green Clean, which is Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy. And it's just this like nice like texture. I use it a lot to take off my eye makeup, and it does like a really good job. So I love this. I'll be sad when it's done. So I like that brand, and so therefore I'm really excited to use this. And I bought this Foreo when there was a sale like at Anthropologie, and you could just like buy the products online. And so, but I haven't been using it regularly because right now I'm using Coal Face from Lush, because I was breaking out a little bit, so I wanted to like suck out all those impurities. And then I ran out of like a liquid face wash, so I'm excited to have a liquid face wash that I can use in conjunction with my Foreo and actually see if this makes a big difference on my face. Okay, so that was it for the BOXYCHARM for February. I'm really excited about it. I was just so pleased. I've been really happy with this BOXYCHARM and the last one, so I hope it continues. I think I'm gonna still get it. It's like $60 every 3 months. I think it's kind of worth it because I get really excited about the products. I didn't get an eyeshadow palette this time because you guys know I have too many eyeshadow palettes from my BOXYCHARM. So that's awesome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye. This time I'm gonna do my, what?
You gotta let me leave.
Okay.
Sorry. Remember we went over this? Or no, you didn't hear that whole thing?
Wait.